Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have got these 4 squares as you can see in this figure, out of which the area of these 3 squares have been given to us, and now we are going to calculate the area of this purple square. And moreover, a circle is placed on these squares such that the edges of these squares are touching this circle at 4 different points: A, B, C, and D. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this green square. And the area of this green square is given to us as 100 square units. And here's the area of a square formula. Area equal to S square, where S represents the side of a square. So that means if the area is 100, then this side, each side is going to be 10, isn't it? 10 times 10 is going to give us 100. And now let's focus on this blue square, and its area has been given to us as 25 square units. And once again, if we apply this area of a square formula, we can see that this side of this blue square is going to be 5, isn't it? And now in this next step, let's focus on this yellow square, and its area has been given to us as 16 square units. And then once again, according to this area of a square formula, this side length of this yellow square is going to be 4 units, because 4 times 4 gives us 16. And finally, let's focus on this purple square, and we don't know the area of this purple square. Now let's focus on this side length of this purple square. If somehow we can find out the value of this side length of this purple square, we can easily figure out the area of this square by using this formula. So let me go ahead and call this length as x units, and we are going to calculate the value of x. And here we got another figure, exactly the same one, except that these squares are not showing up. And here we can see there are 2 chords, A, B, and C, D are intersecting each other at this point O. So therefore, we are going to apply this intersecting chord theorem, as you can see in this figure. And according to this theorem, AB equals to CD, where A and B are the parts of this first chord, and C and D are the parts of the other chord. Let's go ahead and apply this Chords theorem to this given problem. So this AO side is going to become A, this OB is going to become B, lowercase b, this OC is going to become lowercase c, and this OD is already x, and we are going to find the value of this x. And here's our formula: A times B equal to C times X. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. In our case, A is 4, B is 10, C is 5, and we are going to calculate the value of X. So we got 4 times 10 equal to 5 times X. So this is going to give us on the left hand side 40 equal to 5x. Let's divide both sides by 5. So that means our x value turns out to be 8 units. So thus the x value turns out to be 8 units. So that means this side length of this purple square turns out to be 8. So thus the purple square area is going to be simply, we are going to take the square of 8 and that is going to give us 64 square units. So thus the area of this purple square turns out to be 64 square units. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.